Welcome to our channel, where we're all about making finance fun. Today, we're tackling a topic that's not so exciting on the surface, but trust us, it's essential. We're talking about credit scores. Yeah, we know, it sounds like the most boring thing ever. But stick with us, and we promise to make it entertaining. What is a credit score? Okay, let's get the technical stuff out of the way first. A credit score is a number that tells lenders how likely you are to pay back your debts. It ranges from 300 to 850, with 850 being the score of a financial god and 300 being, well, not great. Your credit score is based on a few factors, like how much debt you have, how often you pay your bills on time, and how long you've been using credit. Why is it important? Your credit score is like your financial report card. It affects everything from getting a loan for a car or a house to applying for a new credit card. It can even affect your job prospects and your ability to rent an apartment. A low credit score can make your life a lot harder than it needs to be, so it's essential to keep it in good shape. How to improve your credit score? Now this is where things get interesting. There are a lot of ways to improve your credit score, and most of them are pretty easy. First of all, pay your bills on time. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most important things you can do. Secondly, don't max out your credit cards. Using too much of your available credit can hurt your score. Thirdly, don't apply for a bunch of new credit cards all at once. It can make you look desperate and it can hurt your score. Conclusion. So there you have it. Credit scores may not be the most thrilling topic, but they're important nonetheless. By keeping an eye on your credit report, paying your bills on time, and using your credit responsibly, you can build a good credit score and make your financial life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more finance fun.